Hello valued customers, thank you for choosing Dreame. In this video, we will show you how to use the Dreame D20 Ultra Robot Vacuum properly. First, let's open the box and take out all the accessories. The list of accessories is as follows. Preparation. Choose an open area with good Wi-Fi signal to install the base station. Ensure that there are no ground objects within 1.5 meters in front of the base station and 0.5 meters on both sides. Connect the power cord. A solid on light on the base station indicator indicates a successful connection. To avoid water damage to your carpet or solid wood floor, it is recommended to install the base station on a tile or masonry floor. Install the base station extension ramp. Remove the protective film from the top cover and the sensors, and pull out the robot protective strips. Please ensure that all protective film is removed before use to avoid interference and operational issues. Long press the power button on the robot for 3 seconds to start the robot. Install the side brush and mop pad.
Mop pads installed.
Dock the robot.
Starts charging.
A voice prompt confirms connection and charging started. Remove the water tank and fill it with proper amount of tap water at room temperature. Close the lid and install the clean water tank back to the base station. Connect to app. Take out the robot and open the flip cover. Scan the QR code on the robot, or search DreameHome in the App Store or Google Play Store to download the app. Open the DreameHome app. If you are using the app for the first time, click Sign Up Now. You can use your cell phone number or email to register. Please enter the cell phone number, email and click Get Code. Enter the verification code sent to you by Dreame. Set password for your account. In the subsequent login, you can choose to use the phone number login, Dreame ID login, or the third-party login at the bottom of the page. After logging in, please add your robot to the device list. Open the flip cover, scan the QR code on the robot. Or you can click Add on the homepage to manually add a device from the model list. Follow the app guide to connect to Wi-Fi. Please note that the Wi-Fi mode must be 2.4 GHz or including 2.4 GHz. On web page interface, on app interface, you could also use 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi, which contains 2.4 GHz. For other brands router, please refer to the instructions on user manual or app to configure the 2.4 GHz or 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi. Enter the name and password of the Wi-Fi you want the robot to connect to. Follow the guidance on the app and make sure the robot is powered on. Tick the checkbox, then click Next. Press and hold the Start button and Dock button simultaneously for 3 seconds, and when you hear the voice prompt, tick the checkbox and click Next.
Waiting for the network configuration.
Click the button and join the Dreame Vacuum hotspot on the pop-up window. If you can't join the hotspot in the previous step, please open the Wi-Fi list and manually search for the hotspot Dreame Vacuum and connect to it, then return to app interface following the voice instruction. Keep the robot and phone as close to the router as possible. Wait for the robot to successfully connect to the network and verify the connection result. After successfully connecting to the Wi-Fi indicator light on the robot will be solid on. After connecting, click Me at the bottom right, and then Settings at the top right. Check About and check whether the app version is updated to the latest. First time use Map Settings. Go back to the home page and click Go to the device page. Enter the host page, click the ellipsis icon in the upper right corner to enter the settings page, click Voice and Volume menu. You can switch the voice language and adjust the volume. Before mapping for the first time, please tidy up the surrounding area, clear clutter, remove loose or fragile items. You can choose Start Fast Mapping or just start all cleaning by tapping Clean to build a map. In fast mapping mode, the robot will quickly scan the house environment to generate a map. In all cleaning mode, the robot will start cleaning directly and build a map during the cleaning process. Please make sure the robot starts and returns to the base station during its first mapping process. Please do not move the robot or base station during this process to avoid mapping failures. On this page you can edit the map, and the special areas such as furniture, ground environment, virtual wall, no-go zone and virtual threshold. Ramp on the map recognized by the robot. If you have pets at home, you can click on furniture to add pet supplies, so that the robot can make smarter cleaning strategies for the furniture around your pets. Find cleaning settings of pets surrounding area in the settings, and turn on strategic cleaning of pets surrounding area. Back to the home page. If you have edited furniture, you need to turn on the furniture icon in the map display to see the furniture display and editing changes in the map. If the auto-generated cleaning sequence doesn't meet your needs, customize it by clicking Cleaning Sequence. Clicking on Virtual Threshold. Ramp allows you to add passable, impassable thresholds and ramps on the map in order to let robot act differently regarding different types of threshold. Ramp. You could zoom in, out and drag the map. After you're done placing the threshold ramp, click the upper right corner checkmark to save it. Please note that you should not set the passable threshold near any staircase, since it may cause damage from falls. If your home has multiple floors, click Multi-Floors Map Management to add a multi-floor map. Multi-floor cleaning feature requires creating an independent map for each floor. Please move the robot to the designated floor when it's in standby state. There's no need to move the base station. Click on Create Map to start cleaning directly or choose Fast Mapping. The robot will create a map of the current floor, then will return to the starting position after mapping is completed. If the mop pads need washing during cleaning, you can manually move the robot back to the base station to trigger mop pad cleaning and then place it back within 15 minutes for continuous cleaning. First time use cleaning settings. Go back to the home page, click the water drop icon, then you can enter the Clean Genius and the Custom page. Click Custom to adjust cleaning mode, suction power, mop humidity, and more. You can also set personalized suction and mopping preferences for each area by clicking Customize Room Cleaning. Back to the home page of the device, clicking the dock in the bottom right corner. You could set base station function here. If you have pets, please set the auto empty to high frequency. Note that noise may occur during high-speed rotation of mopping pads during mop washing. It's normal. Go to the home page and click on the ellipsis icon in the upper right corner for more settings. You can also set the carpet cleaning mode as you want in carpet settings. Enter the floor cleaning settings. You can turn on the wider coverage of edges and corners, collision avoidance mode and cleaning along the floor direction. After turning on wider coverage of edges and corners, while cleaning along the edges and corners, the robot will swing its body to increase the cleaning coverage of mop pad. In collision avoidance mode, the robot will reduce the collision on walls, furniture, and obstacles, but the cleaning efficiency and coverage will be reduced. When the cleaning along the floor direction function is turned on, during global cleaning and selective room cleaning, the robot will follow the direction of the floor, reducing scraping against the floor seams. Go to Settings, select More Functions. You can turn on or off Do Not Disturb mode, off-peak charging, resume cleaning mode, child lock and more. You can also control your robot in the remote control. These are the instructions for the first time use of Dreame D20 Ultra.